Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harshita Gizmo. So today we are going to see how to add a saved image on your computer to your Flutter app. Don't forget to watch the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So we are trying to create an application that gives you information about roses. So first of all, go in your main project file, lib and main.dart. So here we have created a simple app which gives some information about roses with no content particularly right now. It's just a blank app which looks like this right now. So first of all, to give some information about roses, we first have to add a image to our file. To do that, right click on your main project file and click on new and directory. Let's name our directory images and save it. So let's move our image to our directory. So here is my image which I have chosen. Just drag it and drop it in your directory. Make sure that it's in the same directory which we have put. So this is an image we have put in our images folder and then main.image. Now we have to link this image in our main.dart and display it in our body. To do that, go in your pubspec.yaml file. Here you will find many comments and under the Flutter there is a class called assets which is already given. Now uncomment these lines. So inside the assets there are few images given which we don't have in our computer. So let's just delete it and specify our own images. So write dash which defines it as one of assets, then the images which is our folder name, and a slash, and after the slash give the file name of your image. In my case it is roses.jpeg. Now let's run pub.get. As you can see, this develops an error. So pubspec.yaml file is indentation sensitive. So let's give it a proper indentation, which is 2 spaces in every sub file, every subclass. So assets is a subclass of Flutter, so we are going to give 2 spaces, and then images is a class of assets. So we are going to give 2 tab keys, which are 2 indentations. So as you can see, our indentation is proper now, and let's run pub-get. So as you can see, our pub-get doesn't give any error now. So now let's actually define our image. So in the body of our scaffold, we are going to give an image widget, of course. Then inside the image widget, there's a paragraph, there's a parameter called image. So inside this image, we are going to give something called asset image. Asset image takes an image from our pubspec.yaml file assets. So inside this, give round brackets and double quotes. Inside the quotes, we are going to write our file name, which we have specified in assets, which is images/roses.jpeg. Now let's restart your app. Make sure you restart it rather than reload it. If you reload it, then the image is not going to load. So as you can see, our image is just displayed in our app. So if your app has really large amount of images, so do we have to specify each and every image in our pubspec.yaml? So there is a much easier way to do that. Go in your pubspec.yaml and just simply remove the file name and just specify our images folder. So this takes everything in our images folder. So now if you restart your app, as you can see, there is actually nothing changed. Thank you for watching my video. Hope it was useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.